It's often been called the eighth wonder of the world, compound interest or compound returns. You can either work for your money or your money can work for you. And folks, the earlier you start, the better, many times better. When I ran these numbers, it blew my mind. If a 20-year-old would save $1 today, that could equal as much as $72 when he's 65 years old. $1 today spent, you miss out on $72 when you're 65. Where do I get these numbers from? We use returns for the S&P 500. We look at those and over any 45-year period in the last 100 years, you're going to average at least 10% on your money. And right here shows you what you would have 10% at 10% interest. Let's just take that $1,000 over the next 45 years. You would end up with $72,000. That's the graph right here. Initially, the spread between these different interest rates, like between 5 and 10%, it doesn't look that big. 1,050, 1,100. But as you let time go and you let this graph start growing, the difference between 5% and 10% between any of these numbers is huge. After a 45-year period, 5%, you'd have almost $9,000, but at 10%, you would have $72,000. That's what happens if you're in it for the long term. Get it started, get this money working for you, and then be in it for the long term. Now, why do we use 10%? Because that's what the S&P 500 has averaged for any, actually 20-year period over the last 100 years. But if you can be in it for 45 years, averaging 10%, this is the kind of money you can look at. Get the money in there as early as you can. Get it started. Get this dollar working for you so that you can have this kind of money when you're 65. Folks, that's what we do on this channel. We love to help people achieve a comfortable retirement, even when you're on a modest income, but especially if they start early, are consistent, and just use something as simple as an S&P 500 index fund, because you can do this and just get it in there and get it started for you, and you're going to average 10% if the market continues to do what it's been doing for 100 years for any 45-year period. Again, tell young people about this. Somebody's in college, tell them get started in an S&P 500 index fund, get it in there, and they can have this kind of return when they reach retirement for just $1. $72 when they reach retirement. That's what we do on this channel. We love running numbers for people. Please consider subscribing. Please let people know about this channel. Please like the video, and thanks so much for watching.